Today we have Max, who is a pit bull puppy, Dalmatian mix, and his mom wants him to learn to stop pulling. Deja, could you back off? Wants him to learn basic commands, and apparently he's very chewy at home, so we're going to work on that as well. Kind of got a lot of dogs going on here. This is Max sniffing through the wire. Everyone gets introduced in a safe way, and all the dogs here are friendly. So I keep him in his own space until everyone's already calm, but I just make sure they've had plenty of time to sniff, separated before I blend him into the group. He doesn't seem upset or anything. He's just curious and interested.
I never recommend people to go to dog parks because you just don't know what kind of dogs you're going to get or what kind of owners are going to be paying attention or not. Here, I know each dog, which ones are nice, which ones are gentle, which ones are okay to be around.
Stay away from Foxy. Thank you.
Puppy play is something that we can't really replicate as their owners. They need to play with other dogs, learn social cues, learn what mouthing is okay versus biting. And this is how they get their energy out and they feel satisfied. When dogs come home from daycare or boarding, they are satisfied and tired. And that's what you want. That's how you keep your couch from being eaten. That's how you keep your slippers from being chewed up. They need this energy out. I also teach them how to wait their turn for a treat, how not to resource guard, and to have good manners in a group.
Okay, we're starting our walk. Everyone's behind the line. Back. Good. So this is Max's first time walking in a pack, and he's doing awesome. So to keep him back, you just swing something in front. If he tries to pass, you take it and you drive him back. It's a very small movement, and he goes all the way back.
Randomly stopping at different points in your walk to give treats with a sound will reinforce when you make that sound, they need to look at you for attention and something good will happen. This is important if you need to call them off if something bad happens on your walk, such as another dog off leash charging them. They need to look to you.
Max, come, look. Good boy. Yes, very good puppy. Max is doing great. If I need to drive him back, I just go like this with my little scooper, and he goes back, and we keep walking. He goes around the other side. We establish. I don't even have to swing it right now because he's getting back. Say the word so he knows what back is. Max, back. Good boy. I happen to be walking by bars. Another way you can reinforce is to tap the bar in front of him and he'll stay back. You can also walk into him like this. I'm walking right into his body, so he's backing up. So he's doing great. There's dogs barking behind fences. Max, back. And he's not reacting to any of the dogs that are barking because all the other dogs are not. This is really great for him to learn from the pack. We're 3/4 of the way through the walk now, and I don't have to remind him. He's staying back, and he's doing great. Sit. Up. Thank you. Down. All the way down. Yes. Stay. Max, leave it. Look. Yes. Good. Max, ah! Nope. Nope. Leave it. Sit. Good, sit. Leave it. Max, look. Look at me. Good, lie down. Look. Good boy. Leave it. Good. Very good. Leave it. Leave it. You don't know what to do about that, huh? Max. Good boy. Come. Good. Sit. Good. Come. Sit. Good boy. Place. Place. Here. Good. Stay. Stay. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Sit down. Sit. Good. Leave it. Leave it. Look. I know it's hard. Good boy. Come. Come here. Good. Sit. Good. Sit. Stay. 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 Look. Good boy, Max. Sit. Good boy. Lie down. Good. Lie down. Very good. Lie down. Come. Come on, Max. Good. Sit. Good. Lie down. All the way down. Can you do it? Lie down. Lie down. Oh. Lie down. Yes. Good. Lie down. Very good. Next, come. Sit. Good. Leave it. Leave it. Look at me. Good boy. Good boy. Go. Go ahead. What's up, man? Ah! Quiet. That's how you get your dog to stop barking. Low voice. And tell him to cut it out, and he does.
Hi. Hi. Well, this puppy did a great job on his first 24-hour board and train with us. He learned how to socialize with other dogs. He learned how to walk in a pack. He learned not to pull, not to bark at neighbors or other dogs passing by. He waited patiently for his treats. He got plenty of puppy play time. And in between that time, he got basic command training. We just did small spurts so that it wasn't exhausting for him, and he picked it up really, really well. We even had the occasion to bring a child in to see if he would bark at her incessantly. All it takes is to nip it in the bud. At home, if he starts to chew on the sofa pillows again, his mom knows to offer him one of our meaty knee bones and let him know the sofa is a no, the meaty knee bone is a yes. He just needs boundaries and repetition. He's gonna be a great puppy. He already is.